Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video on my channel. My name is Angelica and I am the creator of Love Letters to Milo. In today's video I am going to show you how I painted these leaves using a wet and wet technique, and these are the materials, and you can find links to all the materials in the description below. So I am using just clean water to get the main shape of my leaf, and I am using the Ecolines to just dab a little dot on the wet paper on the shape that I had already created. So I am not moving the paint too much around because I want to leave some of the white spaces. So I am not painting per se with the brush with the ink. I am generating the shapes, the main shape of the leaf with the clean water, and I am just dabbing some of the ink onto the wet surface. So that is all that is happening for this first step. I will leave you to do more leaves, and just can do as many leaves of course as you want or as your paper allows, and we will follow up with the next step, which are the details, in a little bit. Alright, so for now, this step, which is the second and final step, it really is just two simple steps. We are going to go ahead and add the details. Remember that you have to let the paint and the water completely dry. So I actually don't like to use a hair dryer or any heating devices, because it actually heats up the paper, and I don't like the feeling of it when I apply the paint later on. So I just like to sit there and watch it dry, or I'll go do some other stuff while it naturally dries. So remember that it just has to be completely dry for this detail to really work. So for this step I am using a Camlin Pro Series 670. It's by the manufacturer Artedhe. It's a Japanese brand and it's a 5-0. So I am using the same ink, also the Ecoline, the purple Ecoline for the details, because I think since I'm already using purple, I don't want to add any extra colors or any more complications. I am literally using just 2 colors and the water. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this process. This is just a really simple technique. You have to have a little bit of patience for the details, but with practice you will get the hang of it. So I will leave you to create the details on your leaves, and I really hope you guys enjoy this process and have a very relaxing time with it. And so, unfortunately, because of my phone battery died, I was only able to record the details up to this point. But as you can see, it's a very, very repetitive process, and you guys can just go ahead and add the details to all your leaves. So, I hope you guys enjoy it. I'll see you guys next week. Bye.